Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Ito looks nice na. Ano ba yan?
Bandang alas 5 ata yun.
Aray ko guys. Ikaw kasi. Aray ko. So, aray ko. Today, saan tayo pupunta? Ba't mo kasi ako ginigising kayo? Sabi mo, sinabi niya kanina guys, pretend I'm sleeping, ganon. Oo, but I'm pretending. I'm matching red shirt, rebel, jeans. I can't match. So sick.
Bukas daw.
So, actually, happy Father's Day. Yeah, to the fathers. Ba't palagi sasabi mo, yeah? Bakit sa Mother's Day sabi mo, yeah?
Nung PT ako
Yeah.
kahapon nung dumating mo yung unang PT ko, nagpasit.
So, alam, ang dami aming ginawang TikTok yung sinad niya. Ay, post. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, ba ito? Ay, isasend ko mamaya yung ginawa ko skincare. Na? Yung nag-skincare tayo sa bahay ko.
Siyempre, nagpanik ako, no?
Oo, pati
Ako nagpanik. Tapos, hindi ako naiihi. Umihi ako ulit.
Guys, wala maingay yung mga mama at yung mga chismos. Ay, may nakaipit ka na? Nagdala ka po scratch? Wala lang. Ano? So... Ay, titingnan siya ba? So, where's the lip? In here. No, the lip. The lip. I have the lip. I have it. I have about two. I'm not sure. So, don't forget to, I forgot to say, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. School, sa end yun. Yeah, just don't forget that. And we're just gonna say it again and again. So, we're going, eat. So, tomorrow we're going to eat.
Kahapon. Kasi di ba pina-inject ko siya kahapon.
So, we're gonna transition when we're there. Okay? Ready, set, go. So, we're here. Jinx, Nakonwood. So, this place, we already been here before? Yeah, but we didn't film. Upstairs, we don't have a YouTube channel that day. No! Here, it's actually downstairs, so look, nata, nagpa-box. Oh, bless ka, bless.
Can
Bless
I
ka muna.
drink? Can I have? What's that? Iced
Oh, I
tea?
know. Ah,
Pilit. Oh.
So, pupush muna namin. Pupush muna namin. So, tapos na, tapos na kami mag-ano. Pinagsusumog kay Daddy. Okay, tapos na kami mag-TikTok. Tapos nagalit si Crystalia / Tata. Wait, titigil lang tayo. Kita ko yun, guys. Naglalaro kami tago-tagoan. Yes. Bye guys. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and comment and share to your friends and yeah, just subscribe and do what we say. So bye.